We got some really happy mason bees. I added 3 more nest boxes to the top of the 2 on my electric meter, and 1 more to add when the activity dies down a little bit. They're not aggressive, but you know, don't want to stress them out. These are just awesome. They're just storming these like crazy. Another thing I did, which I'm really happy about for several reasons, is I'm using a broken piece of my birdbath bowl. Got whacked by a large limb, came down in the winter storms off one of my trees, but using this for a mud source for them. They do need to have a source of mud in order to fill the cavities in the nesting box.